Hi everyone, my name is Aaron and I'm one of the graduates of the UTS class of 2018. I'm currently studying pathobiology at the University of Toronto and I'm so excited to be with you all today as part of UTS's online open house. So as potential applicants to the school, I'm sure you're all very familiar with many of the amazing parts of UTS, from the intense but rewarding academic program to the vast amount of extracurriculars that are available here. However, one part of the school that I feel is often underappreciated is the closeness of the community. Many of my most memorable experiences from UTS revolve around the close connections that I had with my classmates, from studying together for difficult exams to spending all night talking at our UTS camping trips. My UTS friends are amongst my closest friends today. These friendships surprisingly extend into academics as well. At UTS, you're surrounded by such a diverse and interesting group of people that you're bound to learn something new each and every day. I attribute a lot of the success I have in university to the new perspectives and ways of thinking that my UTS classmates have taught me. Finally, one part of the UTS community that I never truly appreciated until I graduated were the bonds in the alumni community. It's so amazing to talk with any other graduate of the school and instantly connect because of all our shared experiences. So thank you so much for all your time today, and I hope that my experiences have shown you a bit more about what UTS is all about. I wish you the best of luck with your applications, and I hope to speak to you all one day as part of the alumni community of UTS. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of Open House.